it's your girl Asia, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be a review of the Tymo Ring Hair Straightening Comb. Big shout out to Tymo for sponsoring this video and sending me this comb. So I'm gonna just show y'all the unboxing real quick. Here's the comb itself. It has ceramic teeth with a patented V shape to make sure your hair comes out super straight. And then it comes with a super cute detangling brush, so you can detangle your hair before straightening. This really comes in handy. Then you also have 2 clips so that you can section your hair while you're straightening it. And then it also comes with a heat protecting glove so you don't burn your hands while you're straightening your hair. So yeah, this is my first impression and I really love the packaging overall. It's really cute and it comes with a lot. So now I'm just going to be sectioning my hair to get the straightening process started. So now that my hair is all sectioned, I'm just going to be taking my heat protection spray and spraying my hair and then going over the first section with the straightening comb. As y'all can see, it already got my hair straight from the first pass. I was very amazed with how it came out. I was not expecting it to get this straight. I just had to pass over it a few times for my hair to get completely straight, and there's no frizz. It's super shiny and silky, so I'm loving this so far. Okay y'all, so I'm halfway done with my hair now. It came out amazing. It literally looks like how it looks when I flat iron it. And this product cuts down on styling time so much, y'all, because it usually takes me about an hour to straighten one side of my hair, and this only took me about 30 minutes. So it cut down styling time by 50%. This is way faster because you don't have to brush your hair and then flat iron it. This product combines the function of a flat iron and a hairbrush, so it serves the purpose of both. This brush is friendly for all hair types. There's 5 different temperature levels for different hair types and styles. It goes from 266 to 410 degrees. It maintains a stable temperature with even heat distribution to prevent hair from unnecessary overheat damage. And it's very safe. There is an anti-scowl design with advanced mechanism structure, which allows the customers to reach more hair roots without burning the hair or scalp. Also, it automatically turns off after 60 minutes of no use, so you don't have to worry about if you accidentally left it on. It will just turn off by itself. And this brush has really easy application. There is a 360-degree swivel power cord for more flexible styling angles. And the dense clips it comes with allow for better straightened effect in a single pass.
claps.
Alright y'all, so my camera actually ended up dying, but here's the final results, y'all. It came out super shiny and silky. So it's safe to say my first time using this Tymo ring hair straightening brush was a success. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.